everyone, it's Robin, RS Island Crafts, and welcome to my Advent Series 2023. Today is day number 2, and I am really happy because I think there's candy in this one. I always wait this time of year before I purchase anything for my sweet tooth to see what my friend's going to send. Yesterday was a great start to Advent. I can't wait to open up this one to see what's inside. All of them are wrapped in snowman wrapping paper, so all the wrapping paper is going to be the same, but look, there's a little roll right there. So this is either, I can feel the individual pieces of candy. Now, my friend knows that I love the rolls of candy with the hard candies in it, like Sprees. And last year I had bottle caps, so I'm kind of curious to see what she included this time. We know it's going to be dairy-free because I have a milk allergy, so it's not really a milk chocolate type product, so it's not going to be Tootsie Rolls. And what else is in it? Oh, this is fabric. So let's guess the fabric. I'm going to say it's a striped fabric and it's green. I've been hunting for a good green striped fabric. It's been sold out in a lot of the places online, or they just don't carry it. I just want some of I like the large green stripes, the medium green stripes, and the narrow green stripes, but I don't want them mixed. I want them all in individual fabrics. I am on a whatever looking for striped fabrics. I'm just trying to add them to my collection. I'd like to have all of the colors and all of the shades just so I have something to play with. I have really been enjoying playing with striped fabric lately, but that's got nothing to do with Advent today. Nope, not a striped fabric. Did anybody guess that it would be Christmas cardinals? Look, guys. My friend knows that my family loves cardinals. We collect them all the time, both male and female. Look at them all on there. They're so stunning. I don't have this fabric, so it'll be nice to go into my cardinal collection. But let's see what the candy is. I can see what the candy is. And she did good. You did really good, my friend. Necco wafers. I love Necco wafers. They're thin enough that you can chew them without feeling like you're going to break your teeth, but you can also let them melt in your mouth. And I just like the flavors. It's chalk compressed into a disc, but it is, I like it. So let's see what I put into my friend's package. Now, on the second day of our Christmas Advent, I'm sending my friend 2 scraps of fabric and a gift card to a fabric store. Now remember, we are just doing the Advent to give little small gifts to each other. I'm just slowly adding to my friend's scrappy fabric stash. Sometimes it's a 1/4 yard, sometimes it's an 1/8, and sometimes it might be a couple yards of fabric. But by the end, on the last day of Christmas, as she's getting into the new year, she should have a nice little stash of scrappiness to play with. Day 2. So I hope you like what you opened today, my friend, and I hope you opened it before you watched the video so you didn't lose out on the surprise. Thank you for day number 2. I have a snack for tonight. Did you guess Necco wafers? I didn't. I actually like all of the flavors, even the black one that's kind of the licorice, and I've always enjoyed the brown one that's chocolate. You guys have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.